Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Just a quick update on the Evo. Was driving it about, I don't know, a month ago or so, and heard a loud exhaust leak come about. So I got home, started playing with it a little bit, just looking at it. And if you look down in here, that is the O2 pipe with no O2 sensor. So what happened is it cracked right at the O2 bung, and it was leaking exhaust through a code. I'm not sure what code it was, probably an O2 code, but there's the O2 sensor right there, broken piece of metal. It was cracked about 50% of the way around, so I just went ahead and pulled it off. So went ahead and ordered a cheapo replacement. So the one on here was an aftermarket. I think it was just a cheap eBay one, to be honest with you. I forget the name of it offhand. The previous owner told me what it was, but I forget. It's written down. But I think it was a cheap eBay one, like an SS Autochrome or something, but that wasn't the name of it, but it's kind of what it's like. So the replacement, I already ordered that, is this one here. And of course this is another cheap replacement, but I went ahead and got one with an external wastegate dump. So this one here has an internal wastegate, keep it a little quieter, but I went ahead and picked this one up with the external wastegate dump on it. So we'll see how she fits. It's probably going to be a little bit before I get to this project. I've got another project I'm working on right now, so it'll be a little bit, maybe a week or so, but when I get around to it, I'll make a video of it on what exactly you have to do. So I don't know. I'm being told that the radiator might need to come out, which is going to stink because I just put this radiator in. So that'll be a bummer, but it looks like we've got, I don't know what size that is off the top. It looks like a 13 millimeter here. So we got one here, one right there. Probably one or two more at least, I imagine. I mean, I can count on this, I'm pretty sure. So it looks like we got 5 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of those. I can see 3, and then of course one bolt here and then one on the other side. So that should be fun. But I don't know, maybe with the external wastegate it'll make 5 more horsepower, less turbulence. Who knows? We'll see. But so that's why there's been no updates on this thing. But it's been in the garage, just sitting. So expect an update in about a week or 2. So it's a hobby. It's not a life choice. So you get updates when you get updates. All right, guys.